duine is mis Tara Rankin. Hello everybody, my name is Tara Rankin. Bhí mis clúiche fianna, bhí mi sein agus bhí mi Gina dansa céim. I play the piano, I sing Gaelic songs, and I also step dance. So I come from a place called Mabu in Cape Breton, Nova Scotia in Canada. I moved to Scotland in 2006, so I've been living here ever since. I came over to study Gaelic. Growing up in Cape Breton, I had some Gaelic in school. I was very lucky to have Gaelic in school, and I had some wonderful Gaelic teachers that encouraged me to speak Gaelic and take part in Gaelic festivals and concerts in the community. Some places I've worked for the Fèis include Tyree, Call, Strathspey and Inverness, and lots of other places in between. So it's been absolutely amazing working with the Fèis, and I think it gives people wonderful opportunities. And so I've been lucky enough to be asked to teach at Fèis Bheag this year, and I taught last year as well, and I did the Fèis Bheag and had a wonderful time. I'm absolutely delighted to have been asked to do it again this year. Well, I have recently finished university again, so I've not had much time to be playing much music, unfortunately. I just studied to be a Gaelic teacher, Gaelic primary teacher, so I'll be starting my probation year this year. But I do have lots of other hobbies that I take part in when I'm not studying. I love free diving, which is swimming under the water without a scuba tank. So it's kind of like scuba diving, but you just hold your breath. I love doing that, and I love rock climbing, I love hiking, and I love skateboarding. I'm learning how to skateboard. I'm not very good at it, but I really enjoy it. If you've not done so already, sign up for the Fèis Online. You can do this at feisbheag.com, where I'll be teaching the Fèis Bheag with Cornelie Mackay. We look forward to seeing you then. Cheerin drasta, more in time.